Hi everyone, and welcome to my channel. Today I am going to be opening a Magearna Mythical Collection box. If you are new to my channel, which chances are you are because I am completely unheard of except for my few friends, I make Pokemon out of paper, so if that is something you're interested in watching, please feel free to check those out. But otherwise, I am opening cards today, so I will get started on that in just a minute. So this I purchased for about $16 at BJ's Wholesale, and I looked up the prices of these different promo cards, and they ended up totaling about $12.50. So if you're into collecting promos, then I'd say it's a pretty good deal. The one that's worth the most is Mew, because, like, of course, it's Mew. He's so cute. But yeah, I will start opening this box now. Alright, so I will just pull the tray out. And we can see everything. On the back of the box, it says that there's another promo card for Manaphy, but I don't see it here. We'll see if it's underneath one of the other cards or if they misprinted something. Alright, so the boosters obviously are super old. I don't really care. I'm not too snobby on that. But I will show you each of the promo cards. There's Shaman. There is Mew. Oh, that one's really cute. That reminds me of some of the old style cards. I hope none of these are damaged. Not that I'm like a super serious collector or anything. I'm just getting started again, but it's Arceus. This is the second most valuable card. I think he is $3. And the Mew is about $5. Oh, it's pretty. Okay, yeah, so I don't see that Manaphy card. They lied to me. Oh, there he is! Oh! Oh, okay. I'm excited. I'll have to look up how much this one was. I will do that right now. Okay, so the Manaphy is not worth a whole lot. It's like 40 cents, which is similar to some of the other cards. Did I even show Magearna? Magearna's pretty cool. Yeah, so those are super nice. I am very happy with those. And I guess I will get started on these super old packs. So most collectors know this. These boxes, they sell the things that the Pokemon Center couldn't sell in years previous. So I have an XY Steam Siege, Fates Collide, Evolutions, Breakthrough, and Evolutions again. So all XY. Oh, interesting. So I had placed an order on the Pokemon Center website for the first time, and when I realized that it probably like won't get here at all, like I don't think they're gonna fulfill my order, to be honest. I went and I bought this because I still wanted to open some cards. Oh, that Oshawott is so cute. Okay. Tangela, Krogunk. Oh, that's a cute Mareep. And a Hollow Reverse Yveltal and Bastiodon. I'm not really looking for anything in particular. I just thought this would be a fun thing to do today. So, oh, I didn't want to show the code. Okay. Okay, we have a Braxian, Mega Catcher, Duozion. Oh, Jigglypuff. Deerling. That's really cute too. Rylu. Snubble. What is Snubble doing? What is that? Binacle. Reverse Hollow Kabuto. And a Mr. Mime. Okay, so no full arts or anything that I super care about yet. I don't expect to find anything too crazy in these. I am opening some Vivid Voltage stuff if that comes in from GameStop. Okay, so this one is Evolutions, which is a lot of the old art that like I grew up with and they just reprinted it. Oh, I see something cool on the end. Yeah, these all are the original arts. Ooh, what is this? Machamp Bragg, he's so shiny. And then just a Beedrill. Alright, I'm gonna look up this Machamp, I guess. I've never seen a card like this, and it's like, it's horizontal. Interesting. Oh, so he's only $1.30 on Troll and Toad. He's not worth that much, but he's neat. I don't know, I'll probably put him in a sleeve. Okay. And I'm not showing any of these code cards because I actually do play the online game. Okay, Spewpaw, Houndoom, Spirit Link, Pillow-Swine. I just made a Pillow-Swine craft today and I put him in a little Santa hat and I was very pleased. Froakie, Panpour, Cyndaquil, Staryu, Doduo, Reverse Hollow Fisherman. Oh my god, that's really cool. Oh, it's got the Japanese lettering on it too. I got a Mega Houndoom EX. Okay, I will look that up. Maybe this, maybe buying this box was really worth it. That's cool. Okay, so this Houndoom is $12 on Troll and Toad. So between that and the promos, I got my money's worth. This was a good purchase. If you have $16 and some free time to spare, I definitely recommend going to BJ's Wholesale. They have, they have the thing where you can pick up from your car too, which is really nice. And what we did. Okay, code card. 3 to the front. Oh, I think I see another full art card. Oh, okay, okay. Pidgeot Spirit Link, Lastio Spirit Link Switch, all the retro cards from when I was a kid. Ooh, Nidorino Reverse Hollow. Oh my god! Oh! Venusaur! Oh wow! I love this! Bulbasaur was my first Pokemon, so yeah, I'm a Venusaur kid. Oh wow, and it's again got the Japanese lettering. That's so cool! This was such a good random purchase. Let's see how much Venusaur is. Alright, so it looks like Venusaur can be worth like 10 to 20 depending on the conditions, so that's super exciting. Alright, let me line up all of my cool ones that I got from this pack so that you can see. Alright, so here are all of the promos, holofoils, and special cards that I got from the Magearna Mythical Collection box. It's currently at BJ's Wholesale for $16. It was fun. I'm really happy with them, especially these two. These were the last two that I opened, and that was super exciting for me because I don't have any cards right now that have Japanese writing, so that is super cool. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you would like to check out my crafting videos, I will be making Ice-type Pokemon for the month of December. And thank you for sitting through this card opening with me. I am not super good at unboxings, but I will get there, I promise. Take care, guys, and I will see you all again soon.